Hijab is like my personality, my identity. It's like something that shows who I am, and like when people look at me, they're gonna straight know like what I am and what my religion is.
It keeps me up with my culture.
It's modesty.
It makes me feel safe and connected to who I am.
It's a trademark that shows my identity, my culture, and my religion.
I consider it a part of me because I've been wearing it for as long as I can remember.
It's a part of me. It's something that's been with me all my life, something that's helped me. It's like a piece of me.
It makes me feel like I'm connected to my community. It makes me feel like I'm a part of something. The hijab is a part of me. It's part of my religion, so that brings me closer to my community and my ancestors.
Whenever I go outside wearing a hijab, I feel different from other people. I feel unique, and it's a symbol of my religion.
I guess you can be unique in your own way, and like you have like your own culture and like your own little like thing that most people don't have, you know.
Makes me feel modest.
It's like a definition of who I am.
You can be like the first person in your whole entire classroom and be unique.
Honestly, no, because all my life I've been around people who wear them, so not really.
I did. When I came to the United States, people look at me differently because I was wearing hijab. But the good thing about America is that it has freedom of religion, which helps me be who I am instead of me changing what I wear or how I look.
Yes, I did. When I was little, I attended an elementary school where they wouldn't allow hijabs to be worn, and when we came to America, because of the freedom of religion, we were allowed to wear our hijabs and dress the way we wanted to.
Yeah, so like when I was in 3rd grade, this boy came up to me and he was like, "Are you bald?" And then like he's always he kept asking questions, and like it started to get irritating, like, and like it made me like want to just prove to him I had hair and stuff, but like at the same time I didn't.
When I was younger, I used to go to a school where it was mostly Muslims, and then when I went to middle school, it wasn't the same, and I felt kind of like culture shock.
Yes. There's this one time where there's these boys, and they came up to me and they started going like why do you wear this? Well, like, are you bald? Or do you need like are you just covering up your crazy hair or something? And I know that my religion, you cannot show your hair, so I just ignored the fact I just ignored them. So yeah.
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, there's always like the people that don't understand why you wear it, and the people that don't care, they just like don't like you for wearing it. So there's always that.
I think it's kind of good because America's kind of diverse, especially in Minnesota. There's like a lot of Muslim people, and like people are now used to it because like they see like a lot of people with hijab, so like it's like normal. It's like seeing a person with hair now, like, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I don't care what anyone else has to say because it's my religion, and I get to have freedom of religion because I'm an American citizen and I live in America. So I can do whatever I want when it comes to my religion.
There's some hijabis that sometimes get discriminated like a lot, and sometimes they feel like taking it off. You just ignore them.
As long as you are safe to do so.
Hijab is my choice, freedom is my right.